Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to sign out of Netflix. It's a straightforward process, whether you're on a smart TV, a mobile device, or a web browser. Typically, you'll navigate to your profile icon or the main menu. From there, look for the Sign Out option, often found within the Account or Settings area. Just a couple of clicks and you're all set to log out. Signing out varies slightly across devices. On a smart TV, you might need to go to the Get Help section or a Settings gear icon to find the Sign Out option. For mobile apps, tap your profile picture, then scroll down to see Sign Out. On a computer, simply click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. It's quite intuitive. If you need to sign out of every device simultaneously, perhaps after a security concern, there's an easy way. Log into your Netflix account on a web browser. Navigate to the Security and Privacy section. There, you'll find an option to sign out of all devices. This powerful feature ensures all active sessions are terminated, providing peace of mind in just a few moments. Knowing when to sign out is just as important. Always sign out on public computers or shared devices to protect your account. It's also useful if you want to switch between different Netflix profiles or accounts. Sometimes, signing out and back in can even resolve minor streaming glitches, giving your app a fresh start. It's a good habit to practice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.